Fight Lab. I am here with Mr. Curtis Cloward. How are you doing?
I feel great. Glad to be here.
Nice. Let me ask you something. When you were preparing for this fight, did you imagine that it would have turned out this way?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. But that's what I've learned. You know, I've been doing this for a while, and no matter how hard I plan, it always goes some other way.
Yeah.
I knew he was going to be bigger than me. I was fighting up, and I didn't want him to get me clinched against the cage like he did, and he worked his game, got a takedown. I wasn't expecting that, but I mean, I just worked from there, you know?
Yeah.
I prepared for all angles, and you know, what I want to happen usually isn't what happened, but as long as I get the W, that's fine with me.
That's what matters, right? Tell us a little bit about your training camp and how you got prepared for this fight. Did you do anything differently?
It was hard to prepare. I had about 4, maybe 5 different opponents in the last 3 weeks. Luckily, I was preparing for a left-handed guy, but I was preparing for a lefty who was about 5 feet tall.
Yeah.
And ended up fighting a lefty who was 6 feet tall at 155 rather than 145. But, you know, whatever, not a whole lot changed. It was all about footwork. Didn't really get to see much of that since it went straight to the clinch.
Yeah.
And, you know, I just worked a lot of wrestling defense, jiu-jitsu, striking, everything. Same as always.
Nice. Before I let you go join your team, if you want to thank any training partners or anyone specifically, just got you ready?
I don't know if we have time, but of course, first and foremost, I got to thank Clay Reynolds and Ty Reynolds, everybody at Arikion Fighting Sports, Hot Yoga and Wrestling. We work hard there all the time. Of course, my jiu-jitsu comes from Fight to Win Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu with Steve Hall. Tightened my game up for this fight especially, and you saw I finished with a triangle. Also training with just all my great training partners, everybody who helps me day in and day out. And that's that.
That's how it goes, right? It's easy like that.
Curtis Cloward's a monster.
Oh, well, thank you. I'm
and
a nice
he's the monk too, and he's the monk.
And the monk and the professor and Skinny Love,
Everything.
you know, there's a lot of nicknames and I don't go with any of them. But of course, gotta thank Lindsey Jones, love of my life, and athletic trainer. She keeps me healthy inside and out. Couldn't do it without her.
Good deal. Well, congratulations. Go join your team. I'm sure they want to congratulate you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.